If you're experiencing issues with Roblox voice chat not working, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your microphone settings. Ensure that your microphone is properly connected and recognized by your device. Go to your device's sound settings and make sure the microphone is enabled and set as the default recording device. Step 2. Verify Roblox voice chat settings. Open Roblox and navigate to the settings menu. Check if voice chat is enabled in your account settings. If it's not enabled, turn it on and save the changes. Step 3. Update your device in Roblox. Make sure your device's operating system and Roblox application are up to date. Check for any available updates and install them, as updates can fix bugs and improve functionality. Step 4. Adjust privacy settings. Review your privacy settings on Roblox. Ensure that your account allows voice chat and that you have not restricted communication with other players. Adjust these settings if necessary. Step 5. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve technical issues. Restart your device to refresh the system and try using voice chat again in Roblox. If you follow these steps and the issue persists, consider reaching out to Roblox support for further assistance.